creating a project in OpenLab. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a project in OpenLab. Go to Create, Project in the top right corner of the page. Type in your project title and description. Then, add a banner picture. Sections help you structure your project into parts. Click here to add text. Now add an image. Or, if you have many images, you can create a carousel. OpenLab also lets you add attachments or embed video links. You can save this draft if you want to come back and finish your project later. Once you're ready to make it public, click Publish. In this window, you can add a thumbnail image, or by default, it'll be the same as your banner. Type in as many tags as you want and click on the plus button to add them. Lastly, if you don't want your project to be public, you can select to make it private or unlisted. Click on Publish, and you're done.